Next, adjust the gap between the segment and the side of the barrel. First, click the segment positioning to lower the segment. Raise the barrel to fit the segment. Fit the barrel to the wheel and fix it. Turn the following knobs to adjust the desired side gap position. Loosen the back wheel and push it to the barrel about 50毫米. Click on the barrel holding and extend the wheel. Push the roller to the barrel to fit. Click the barrel holding again to retract the resting wheel and push the resting wheel forward about 10毫米. Fix the rear wheel. At this time, the side gap between the barrel and the segment has been adjusted.